Hey folks, Ralph with Stray Benzos here. In today's episode I'm going to cover LEDs for the backup light. There was an interesting recommendation made when I covered them before, and I've got a couple of light bulbs as suggestions, and I'm going to give it a try to see if there is a 20 watt equivalent in LEDs. And let's get to it and let's see how bright they are, and then once it gets a little darker outside, I hope we can also somehow literally see a difference with then. So let's get to it. I have opened up the rear light assembly. It should be activated such. There you go. That's the backup light. I got that activated. So this is the regular 20 watt single element, and here is the one I've used before. It is claimed to be the backup and brake light equivalent in LED. We'll see how that goes. And yes, it is bright, but I tried it out and it's not as bright as the regular incandescent light bulb. So in here I've got something new that somebody recommended to me. I will provide the links in the video description. This has a little bit of a different, it has a lens at the back. So we'll put this thing in. Let's see how well that does. Oh wow. Wow. That is bright. Well, I can't wait once it gets a little bit darker, whether or not the last one I put in there is really a good equivalent, and if that makes a difference, because if it does, then I will change out that one and the one in the brake light assemblies, which is really interesting just because the brake light, especially in the middle of your car, the one back up there, that one, the plastic housing gets very crispy the way it is, and with the 21 watt incandescent bulb getting very hot, that is not, it's not improving that situation. So here is the regular incandescent light bulb, and in a moment I'll switch it out with the second LED that I showed. You can definitely tell it's an LED. It's much wider, but it is not bright. Even during the daylight you can already see that that one is not as bright as the regular light bulb. Wow, what a difference. That is a lot brighter. You can see it from here. All right, so now you can see left is the regular 21 watt light bulb, and on the right side is the first LED. It looks brighter, but when you look out here, that is the original light bulb is actually brighter. Now I hope you can see it. This is now the second light bulb, much brighter, and now you can see that that light bulb is so much brighter than the 21. So that is a good exchange. I'll put the link of this one into the video description, but that is definitely one that I'm going to go ahead and recommend. Wow, that is quite different.